hidden gem called Maspie Den lies tucked away in the Fife countryside just outside the village of Falkland. This walk explores the footpaths of Maspie Den on the old Falkland House Estate in the Lomond Hills area of Fife. The Maspie Den paths were laid out as a showpiece of the Falkland Estate in the 19th century. Restored today, they provide an excellent walk with some fascinating features. It is a popular place for walkers with views of Maspie Den, a series of picturesque waterfalls, woodland trails, and some interesting geology to admire. The walk starts off in the attractive village of Falkland, which lies just east of the Den. From here you can walk past the historic palace and head west into Maspie Den. There's good paths along the burn with fine views of rushing waterfalls and the surrounding Lomond Hills. You could turn it into a longer circular walk by climbing East Lomond Hill, which lies just to the south. The Falkland Estate was a home and a hunting park for Stuart kings and queens. The estate offers up woodland and waterfall walks in the 1,900-acre park. The path up Maspie Den was opened in 2004 and were laid out in the 1820s, but the Falkland Estate was once a pleasure ground for the Stuart kings who owned the palace. On your way you will discover tunnels, bridges and cascades. Den in Scots means a narrow wooded valley. And the walk soon feels like you're in a tropical world surrounded by huge ferns. At the top of the Den there is a beautiful surprise.